Mike Gebhardt, Coldwell Banker Realty in Boulder and American Liberty Mortgage in Denver. Today, I want to talk about one of the best products I've seen for financial planning for people over 62 years old. It's a HECM, Home Equity Conversion Mortgage, better known as a reverse. If I've lost you when I say reverse, give me another 60 seconds. It's one of the best financial planning tools out there. There are several reasons. A, you never have to make a payment. B, it's a non-recourse loan. Theoretically, you can borrow more than your house is worth and not have to pay that difference back. C, it's one of the best financial planning tools around because it grows in the current environment. This home equity it's basically a line of credit. What's going to happen is it's going to grow at 6 or 8% a year based on Treasury note right now. So basically, let's look at it this way. If you take a HECM out at 62 years old and you don't even use it, you just build it up and you let it build. In 10 years, you might have $800,000 of credit that you don't have right now. What that does for you is you don't have to worry about sequence of sales risk for your other assets. What that means is down market this week, you don't have to sell assets in order to pay bills. You can use your line of credit, wait for the stock market to come back. There's so many other ways to use this product. I would love to explain it to you. I'd love to give you a copy of this book written by my friend, Brady Mullen, and his brother. My number is 303-681-7006. Thanks.